Welcome to this Mockplus tutorial. Here, we're going to go over the Photoshop plugin, showing you how you can import Photoshop designs into Mockplus to share and work with your team online. First, you'll need to download the Photoshop plugin from the Mockplus website. The link will be in the description below. Once installed, go into Photoshop and then go into Window, Extensions and select Mockplus. Then log in via a browser and go back to Photoshop to get started. Before importing from Photoshop, choose a team in your Mockplus account and a project that you want to import into, either by choosing an existing project or creating a new one. Now we've chosen the project and team to import into. This is easy to change anytime just by pressing the menu icon here. You can also choose to show or hide asset masks and change plugin settings too. When you want to mark layers in Photoshop to export, select the layer and press Mark for Export. And an E label will precede the name of your layer in Photoshop. You can also enter a custom height and width to mask your asset and make it exportable. When you are ready, you can then simply press Upload. Once in Mockplus, the asset will be the same size that you entered. You can also drag the frame of the asset mask to any size you want. Once you've added a custom mask for your asset, there will be an M in the name of the asset list in Photoshop. To unmark an asset, select the asset you want to unmark and click Unmark inside the plugin. When uploading designs from Photoshop to Mockplus, you can select iOS, Android or web pixel densities. Mockplus can also automatically detect the pixel density for you. When uploading, there are two options. Upload all artboards or upload the selected artboards. Select one and press Upload. Then your files will be uploaded. When working on a project, you may have various states for your artboard. Mockplus recognises when you've uploaded an artboard already, so when uploading, Mockplus lets you choose whether or not you want to upload your design to cover an existing state, or to be uploaded as a completely new state. If you want to upload as a new state, label this new state and your project will then be uploaded. When you upload a new state to an existing design, in Mockplus you can see and choose between those two different states in the top left hand corner of an artboard. Back in the Mockplus plugin in Photoshop, you can also reset the Artboard ID in the menu tab. This allows you to upload your existing artboard as a new artboard. There are more controls in the Settings tab. You can choose to synchronize designs automatically, so if you delete any artboards in Photoshop, the next time you're in Mockplus, you'll be asked if you want to delete the same artboards or not. If you select the setting Spec Includes Extension Area, your marked assets will include all extension areas such as shadows, borders and blurs. Back in Mockplus, when I click on my assets, I can see the shadows have been brought over on my light bulb, while the shopping cart is the asset without any extension areas, in this case no shadows. This concludes this Mockplus video. For more videos on how you and your team can speed up your design workflow, check out our channel.